I have been asked many times, how do you make pancit? Can you give me this recipe? So I'm going to teach you how to make pancit. There are many versions to the recipe out there. This recipe was handed down by my mother. A copy of the recipe will be shared at the end of this video. So let's get started. Okay, now that we've sliced everything, diced and put it all, we're going to put it all together now. So I've got my pan heating here. I'm going to use some virgin olive oil, just a little bit, to saute the onions, the vegetables. Together. I got my garlic that I'm putting in there. Minced garlic. We chopped up the onions. I like using the red onions because it's sweet, got a nice flavor to it. Turn down the heat a little bit. Then I put my chicken. I like putting a lot of chicken. The recipe that I have that will be in this video makes for more than 4 people. I just kind of condensed this recipe because I'm making it just for 4 people. Now I'm putting some soy sauce. I like to kind of guess a lot of times, but it's in the recipe. If you don't want to guess. Put a little bit of chicken broth, kind of moisten it a little bit. I don't like dry chicken. So I'll cook that for a few minutes. Because I have such a small kitchen here in this motorhome, I have to kind of take turns what pan I need to use. This time I'm going to use this countertop skillet for the cooking because the stove is just geared for 10-inch pots and pans, so I need a bigger one. So I'm using this skillet. So cover that up for a little bit. Not very long, just for a few minutes. Then I put my carrots in there. I mix it with the chicken. Then I put my celery. Saute it a bit more. I put a little bit more chicken broth in there. And bake it up for a little bit. Let the vegetables cook. And we'll be right back. Take a look. Okay, so now we're ready to put the cabbage. Mix it all up. That smells good. The garlic, the onions, the chicken really smells good. Put a little bit more chicken stock in there. Like it moist. Plus we're using noodles, so noodles tend to dry up after a while, and I don't like that. I like it moist. So I cover it up for a bit and come back. Okay, so after 5 minutes of cooking, the vegetables should be good. You don't want the cabbage and all the vegetables to be well cooked, too cooked, so that it gets soggy. Now you're ready to mix your noodles, which we cooked earlier. Kind of break it up a little bit. Oh, that looks good. My recommendation on the recipe is, like I said, it's just a recommendation as far as seasoning. I'd like to have people season to taste. Some people have salt problems, you know, health problems that they can't have too much salt. But, you know, I like to taste it as I go along to see how everything tastes. Oh, that looks good. Mix it all up. The colors is just beautiful. The orange, the green, the white. It's nice to have some color in your food. Makes it tastier. So I'm going to taste it. Masarap. Masarap. If you like, you can put more soy sauce. Like I said, I don't like too much salt. And I sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice. Lemon certainly makes a difference in the pancit. Now I can turn it off. The noodles have already been cooked, so no need to cook it any longer. So, put more lemon. Lemon. Gives it just a little burst of flavor. Okay, so since I have it on this in this electric skillet here, you can serve it and take a look and see how moist it is. It's not soupy, and yet it's not dry. It's easier to eat that way. And when you serve it, just give it a little garnish. I remember earlier we cooked the eggs, hard-boiled egg. We'll garnish it with hard-boiled egg. I like eggs. Okay, and then the turkey bacon that we cooked earlier. Just a little bit. Kind of garnish it. And a little garnish to kind of decorate it. However you want to do it. There you go. Bon appetit. Masarap pa. Maraming salamat.